How to earn more money as a plumber. That's what we're going to talk about in this video, and we're going to do it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you how to fix your plumbing fast and free. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. How to earn more money as a plumber? That is a question that, believe it or not, everybody wants to know the answer to. Earning more money as a plumber, really, it depends on your skill sets. What value do you bring to your business, to your company? Plumber salary really depends on that. Now, even in the union, and those of y'all that know me know I've been in the union since '97.
Holy f***. Jeez, I'm gonna be an old f***ing man.
I have always made more than scale. And everybody says, well, you know, plumber scale is set. That's what plumbers make. Yes, that's true, but that is really the base. That is what you have to pay every plumber. If you have more skills, if you have more knowledge, if you have more training and education than the other plumbers, you can actually make more money.
Show me the money!
If you're more productive and you get more things done, you bring more value to your company. And when you bring more value to your company, you're worth more money. So what I tell people all the time is, make sure you're continuously studying how to be a better plumber. The plumber hourly rate, it varies from state to state. Here it varies from city to city. We're in Texas. Plumbers in Dallas and Fort Worth have different pay scales. Plumbers in Houston, San Antonio, Austin. Plumber salary is different no matter what city you go to. But if you walk in and you bring more skill, more value than any other plumber there, and you can say, look, I remember one time, one of my vice presidents of one of the companies that I worked for, I was walking by his office one day and he called me in because they were looking at a really big job. And he said, Roger, and this is a company that probably had 200 employees. He said, Roger, I've got 5 people that can run jobs bigger than $20 million a year. It made me feel great because I was one of them. But that hinders a company because if they've only got 5 people that can run jobs that size, they can only do that many jobs that size. So what I tell everybody getting into this trade, if you want to earn more money as a plumber, bring more value. And the way that you do that is get more licenses, get more certifications, get a better education. You can literally get up every morning and for 30 minutes or an hour, go through the internet. Learn about new plumbing techniques, new plumbing tools, materials, anything you can do to help set you apart as a plumber and make you a more educated person can actually help you grow in this trade. I'm a plumber. I got my Master Med Gas endorsement, my residential fire protection system, my water supply protection specialist. I became a lead AP. I became a green plumber. I learned a lot of skills that when it was time for them to pick someone for the job, I wanted to make sure that I had the skill sets that they were looking for. I also studied construction management. I learned how to bring jobs in on time, under budget, and safely. And guys, you've got to be able to manage people.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
You may have to work on people skills. There's a lot of different things that you need to do to earn more money as a plumber. So how much do plumbers make? Like I said, really, that's up to you. But I promise you, there have been times in my time in the union where I made double scale. So whatever scale was, I was making twice that. I even had one of the vice presidents of a company come in one time and look at me and tell me, you are the highest paid person in this company other than one project manager. And you know what? That project manager was fantastic. You never had a problem on his job. He always had materials there. He always had your labor figured out. He knew where you had time to work in what areas. And guys, you can figure all that out in the beginning. And as a superintendent, I learned to figure all that out. Eventually, I moved up to director of operations for a large mechanical contractor on the commercial side. That was my skill set at the time. So what I did to do that is literally make sure that when it came time to talk about the job, I knew about the job. When it came time to talk numbers, I knew what my numbers were. And when you had to learn projections, you learn to extrapolate everything out so you know what your numbers should be and how to get there. Guys, since 1999, I don't think I've made under $100,000 a year.
Damn!
And you can say, well, gee, Roger, that's almost 20 years ago.
Okay.
Back then, I was making good money, and at that time, I was working some overtime. Now, I've learned to work smarter, and I don't have to put in all those overtime hours. So think about the value you can bring. What skill set can you learn? One of them that I learned how to use a total station. I learned how to set a job up, look at the prints and where the pipes needed to be, figure out the connections, and put flags on the ground right where a piece of pipe needed to come up. Guys, if you learn things like that, that is another skill set that helps set you apart. So if you want to earn more money as a plumber, it's on you. It's not just going to the boss. It's not just thinking you're the hardest worker. It's being the smartest worker. How do you bring more value to the company you work for? Maybe it's to learn sales skills. I know a plumber that every time he walks in a house, he does a water quality test and he does a water heater inspection at no extra charge. But what that does, that gives him the opportunity to put a sticker on the water heater. And if they've got high chlorine or very hard water, it gives him the opportunity to talk to them about a water filtration system. He explains the dangers of what it's doing to their plumbing system and how that filtration system can help. So guys, there's always something you can learn. I've been in this trade 40 years. I still study it every morning like I have my entire career. So if you want to make more money, learn to make more money. If you're one of those people that study and learn more to bring value to you so you make more money, please leave a comment down below and let me know, what have you done? What have you studied? What have you done? What have you learned that has helped move you up and make you more money? Like I said, education can get you where you want to be, and that's how you make more money at plumbing. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.